Hi guys, welcome to Modern Art School. In this video, we will learn about the basic drawing skill for preschool going kids. I am Vidushi, your favorite art teacher for the class. So let's get started. In this video, we will do some easy drawings with shapes and lines. We will draw a house. With a triangle, a square, a line and a rectangle. Here is our easy house. We will draw a building with a rectangle, a line, small rectangle and windows. Now we can make a tree with a curved line, with another curved line, a V and more curved lines. We can add some grass. Let's make a cloud with only using curved lines. Here is our cloud. We can also make a sun with a circle. Sun and sun rays. So what we got? A house, a building, a cloud, a tree,